Guys, welcome to this course and congratulations on taking massive actions towards growing your Instagram account. Guys, I really can't wait to start working with you in lesson 1, showing you how to grow your Instagram account and make money with your Instagram account and also get tons of engagement with your Instagram account. And before you go any further, guys, make sure you download your free social media marketing ebook and also accept your invite into our private social media marketing Facebook group. Those two things are going to be absolutely vital to helping you grow a big following on social media, making money from that following on social media. I really hope you guys enjoy this course as much as I've enjoyed making this course for you. And if you need any help at all, be sure to contact me at the private social media marketing group, where I'll help you as much as I possibly can alongside Madison. Now, I really hope at the end of this course that you guys can leave me a 5-star review. And if you don't feel like this is a 5-star course, please be sure to contact me with any issues you had at all so I can try and change your opinion and get this course up to a 5-star course. But I do hope that you feel like this is a 5-star course already. I've done as much as I possibly can to give you as much information about growing your Instagram following. Now, I also want to tell you about our free giveaways that we'll be doing every single month for people who have completed this course 100%. Now, if you have 100% completion on this course, you'll be automatically entered into our giveaways that are happening randomly every month. All you need to do is complete this course 100% of the way and you'll be entered into our prize giveaways, where we'll be giving away prizes worth hundreds of dollars. And we'll be doing this randomly every single month to people who have 100% completion on this course. So be sure to complete 100% of this course as soon as you possibly can to be entered into this prize giveaway. Guys, I can't wait to see you in the first lesson. If you have any issues at all, please be sure to contact me at the private social media marketing group and we'll be sure to help you as much as we possibly can. I'll also put a link to our private social media marketing group and your free social media marketing ebook in the resources to this lesson. So please be sure to check those out as soon as you possibly can. See you soon, guys.